Welcome back to Kasa Travels. We said this cruise was last minute, but honestly, we've never been faster at packing in a suitcase than when vitamin C is on the line. And now, we've officially invaded Curaçao. Holland America says to savor the journey, but we're more about savoring the local spirits. We went looking for the island's famous swinging old lady. I thought they meant the bridge, but it turns out she's a brewery. And apparently Sandy and Rita are the newest recruits. Watch that form, ladies. I'm not sure that pole was built for two. Alright, so where are we? Curaçao, and we're by the the floating bridge with the colorful homes. In 1817, those were all white. And the governor said they gave them migraines because they were all white and shiny. Yeah. And he made a law that he had to paint them and he had to approve the colors. Well, upon his death, they find out the governor owned the paint factory.
Oh, yeah, hey.
Meet the Queen Emma Bridge. She's the only floating wooden swing bridge in the world, and after 2 drinks at the brewery, she's much harder to navigate than she looks. She's literally built on 16 pontoon boats, so if you feel like the ground is moving, it's not just the rum punch. And that sound? That's the Queen telling us she's had enough of our company. When that bell rings, you have 2 choices. Run like your cruise ship is leaving, or prepare for an unplanned 45-minute vacation on the water. Go, go, go! Fun fact, if you don't make it off in time, you're stuck on the bridge while it swings open. They don't technically charge extra for the ride, but they will judge your cardio levels from the shore. Now while we watch her do her thing, you're probably wondering, has anyone ever taken an accidental swim? Well, the real scandal isn't who fell off, but who didn't want to pay. Up until 1934, you had to pay a toll to cross. Unless you were barefoot, legend has it, wealthy travelers would ditch their shoes and carry them across just to save a penny. Talk about island cheap. So I'm here with my buddy, Big Bobby Gladham, and Rita, and Sandy's there. Bob, what did you learn when you're on the bridge and you hear the buzzer?
Run!
Curaçao is full of these hidden gems. Bright petals, golden hour light. Rita and Sandy are basically living their best influencer lives right now. Wait a minute, who is that? She doesn't look like she's with Kasa Travels, but she's taken a solid 3rd in the best in show today. Give me a C!
C!
Give me a U!
U!
R!
R!
A!
A!
C!
C!
U! A! O!
Yeah,
what's it spell?
Curaçao!
Curaçao! Now here's a quick travel tip for you. Always double check your vowels before you post to the internet. I spelled Curaçao so wrong, I think I may have accidentally renamed the island. Then Bob and I found some local art. It's a very detailed tribute to the local curves. We weren't being disrespectful. We were just checking the integrity of the paint job. Right, Bob? She's definitely a big girl in a big world. I think Bob's looking for the Made in Curaçao tag. But he's looking in all the wrong places.
Come on. Yes,
Do they have mojitos like at the Kentucky Derby?
The floating market is a staple of the island. For decades, these small fishing boats would make the 40-mile trek from the coast to sell goods you couldn't easily grow on the island. It's basically the world's most beautiful drive-through. Who knew vegetables could be this photogenic? And Bob, put that pepper down. That baby's hotter than the Caribbean sun. This is the Queen Juliana Bridge. It's one of the highest bridges in the world. At 185 feet, cruise ships can sail below it. No singing?
No. Ay, 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 ay.
About a thing. 'Cause everything gonna be alright. I don't know the rest.
The local paparazzi are brutal today. I didn't realize there was a fashion police checkpoint ahead. Curaçao is a dream of Dutch architecture and Caribbean neon. It's impossible to take a bad photo here. And here's Sandy, looking like she belongs in a postcard.
Yes, my girl. Someone love you, honey. More than every tree.
Curaçao, you've been a neon-colored dream. Every corner of this island is literal masterpiece. But the best part of any last-minute trip, the crew you bring along for the ride. Bonbini, baby! And how can you visit Curaçao without going to the Curaçao Distillery? Welcome to Landhuis Choba Lobo. I'm sure I killed the pronunciation on that one. It's a 19th century mansion that holds the world's most colorful secret. This is the birthplace of the authentic Curaçao liqueur. And no, it's not just blue sugar water. The liquor comes out of the still completely clear. The famous blue Curaçao color is just food coloring added later to make your tropical drinks look like a swimming pool. They have every flavor from chocolate to tamarind, but the original is still the king. It's 31% alcohol, so it'll definitely give your Bonbini a little extra kick. Just don't blame me if you start seeing double after the tasting flight. Pro tip, if the bottle doesn't say Senior and Company, it's just a sparkling imitation. We're going for the real deal here. Cheers to research. The distillery has been run by the Senior family since 1896, which is why the bottle has a very distinctive historical look. While Curaçao liqueur is an island original, it didn't become a global culture icon until Elvis Presley, the king himself, starred in the movie Blue Hawaii. The film's massive success, along with the signature blue cocktail created specifically to promote the liqueur. This sent the global sales through the roof. If you're drinking Blue Hawaii today, you can thank Elvis. As the sun dips, Curaçao gives us another surprise. Beautiful nighttime show of neon. Curaçao, you've been a dream. Next stop on the ABCs, we're heading to Bonaire. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next port. See you there.